Tools you need to run a profitable credit repair business. If you're thinking about starting a credit repair business or already in the game, there's one thing you need to know. The right tools equals success. In this episode, I will show you the tools you need to run a profitable, organized, and stress-free credit repair business. And I'll show you how to get everything in one platform so you're not stuck paying for 7 different programs. To run a profitable credit repair business, you can't just rely on passion. You need tools that give you speed, automation, and control. Let's break them down. The first must-have tool is a CRM or customer relationship management system. This is where you keep track of all your clients, leads, and communications. Without it, you'll lose track of who's paid, who's waiting on a dispute, or who needs a follow-up. Tool number 2, email and SMS system. Most clients don't respond to email alone. You must also follow up with texts. That's why you need a reliable email and SMS system that lets you send updates, reminders, and promotions. Tool number 3, VA call manager system. As your business grows, you'll want to delegate client calls, but giving someone full access to your CRM can be risky. Later, I'll share a credit repair software that solves this. Your VA can call clients in one click, log notes, and follow up, without ever accessing sensitive client data or changing anything important. You stay in control, they help you work faster. Tool number 4, invoicing system. Next, you need a system to send invoices and track payments. With the software I'm about to share, you can forget to use PayPal and spreadsheets. You can generate branded invoices, track who paid, and even send automated reminders when payments are due. You stay organized, and your cash flow stays healthy. Tool number 5, business lead finder. What's a business without leads? It's critical to have a business lead finder that lets you type in a profession, like mortgage brokers, car dealers, or financial advisors, and instantly get a list of local and national businesses with their phone numbers, emails, and addresses. Use this to build referral partnerships or find potential affiliates. It's like having your marketing agency in your back pocket. Tool number 6, automatic letter generator. Now this is where things get powerful. Instead of spending hours writing letters by hand or using templates, you can generate dispute letters in 15 seconds, based on the derogatory items imported from your client's reports. You click once and print. It's accurate, fast, and designed for pros. The all-in-one solution, Credit Money Machine. Built-in CRM to track client files, statuses, and documents effortlessly. Email and SMS system to send personalized texts, email campaigns, and even set up automated messages. VA call manager to let your VA call clients without accessing your CRM. Invoicing system to send invoices, track payments, and scale easily. Automatic dispute letter generator to create personal information letters, freeze letters, all collection validation letters, and all Metro 2 letters. Plus, it creates all factual discrepancy tables and assigns dispute reasons and types, all in just one click and within 15 seconds. Business lead finder to find potential affiliates in your area or nationwide. Client portal to give your clients 24/7 access to their case updates. Don't try to piece it together when you can run your entire business from one dashboard. Start your 30-day trial today at www.creditmoneymachine.com/trial and unlock the tools to run a profitable credit repair business.